Fall gardening project Build-A-Bed. Gonna add some more soil, or in the spring I'll add more soil. Covered the English thyme and the chocolate mint. The marigolds are still looking beautiful, but I'm gonna harvest those seeds. Then I move these grow beds on top of this, whatever you call that thing. Can't remember, can't think. Filled them with soil and topped them off with bark mulch. Did the same for this. Topped it off with some mulch. What else did I do? Still got a little kale growing. I'll put that in a salad or on a sandwich or something. These are the strawberries. Put them on top of these crates and took them out of the containers that they were in, the small containers, and getting that ready. Hopefully I'll get bigger strawberries. Cleaned all this off. And that's the chocolate mint. I got a little bit more to harvest. There's more under there. I'll probably harvest that. And that's just a, what do you call it? Nasturtium? Is that what you say? A few onions in there. Clean that bed out. That was the sweet potatoes. What else? Hold on. Covered up some more English thyme with some leaf mulch. I planted onions here and mulched it. What else we got going on? Hold on. So over here in this bed, that's where my potatoes were. I'm gonna use that soil and place it somewhere. Maybe over in here. Got that cleaned out. And then this is my compost bin. Throwing everything in there. All kind of stuff. And that's gonna be nice this spring and summer. Pulled out the rest of those peppers and put the leaf mulch in here. Except for this, I'm just gonna let that go as long as it goes because I got a few little purple jalapenos on there, and throwing a little food scraps in there, and that's my, what do you call it, cinnamon basil. I'm gonna pick those leaves off and mulch that a little more, put a little more mulch on it. And over here, yeah, these collards are looking even better, much better. I'm gonna get to those real soon, get those chopped down. And then in this bed, I covered up the, I had more English thyme and chocolate mint. And this is Thai basil. Covered that up for the most part. In this corner was the lemon balm. I got that covered. Chives covered. And then inside here, I planted garlic and what? Onions. And look, y'all. Can y'all see that? They breaking through. I think that's the garlic breaking through here. But I mulched it real good. Still working on this bed. This is the hyssop. I haven't really done anything but put some mulch down in there, but I had chives in the back. I'm going to mulch that. And over here I had more English thyme, got that covered, and chocolate mint. Got that covered. Now back there I think that's mountain mint. I still got mulching to do here, or leaf mulch to put down. Nasturtiums, I don't know what to do with those. I'm just going to leave them. Maybe I'll cover them too. And then I got supposedly radishes here. We'll see. See how those turn out. I'm going to let them go as long as they go. They're still looking good. And I put cedar mulch down in this bed, but I've got my white, what do you call that stuff? White sage. I'm going to pick those off. A little fennel still going on. Some more white sage, another white sage bush. This is some type of mint. I don't know. I know one of them is a mountain mint, and I had some Thai basil there. But I'm going to mulch this a little more. Not today. When I get time. Work up all these doggone leaves in the backyard. Not all of them, but some of them. And be done for the winter, I believe.